Ukraine has launched several attacks with HIMARS rocket at Antonovsky Bridge. But why does Ukraine keep shooting at the same bridge so many times? Are the attacks ineffective? Does Russia manage to shoot them down? Or is there something else laying behind all these attacks? Antonovsky Bridge is one of few crosspoints over a long stretch of the southern part of Dnieper River. A much smaller train bridge, a hydroelectric plant, with Antonovsky Bridge are the only crosspoint over 200 km of the river, making a few targets major choke points for Russia to transport resources over to push further into Ukraine. Ukraine has acknowledged Antonovsky as a key target and want to deny Russia easy access over. The problem for Ukraine is Antonovsky is a larger bridge with reinforced concrete, which is common in larger concrete structure. These use rebar, which greatly increase the strength and lower crack formation. So when HIMARS shoot gmlrs rocket, Russian SAM system seems to have a hard time hitting these, as a recent video suggests, and the fact that the bridge has been hit multiple times, but the warhead of each rocket consists of around 90 kg, which has limited destructive power for such a large structure. The result is often a smaller hole, not necessarily bigger than a meter across. But what does matter is the structural damage done on the bridge. As the rebars are broken, the bridge becomes much weaker at that section, making heavier equipment more of a risk to overload the targeted section and cave due to the weight. Even when Russia patched these spots up, they usually fill them in with nets or bars to add some structural integrity, but the spot is still much weaker as the new net or rebar are not connected with the existing rebar. Filling in the holes makes it, however, easier and safer to transport lighter vehicles, as some strength still exists and there's no hole to get stuck or fall through. But for Ukraine to constantly hit Antonovsky Bridge does not only make the bridge weaker each time, but also makes it harder for lighter transportation to carry out. This greatly slowed down the equipment and resources the Ukrainian army will meet in battle further up. Russia will try to keep resources passing through, either at the bridge or a platoon bridge close by, however at a much more limited extent than if the bridge would be fully operational. Lastly, Ukraine recently claimed to hit an ammo truck with gmlrs rocket just as it passed over the bridge. If this is true, much larger damage would likely be the case, possibly taking out the bridge more permanently. But this seems, however, very lucky for Ukraine if this is the actual case. Otherwise, Ukraine will keep hitting the bridge at somewhat constant intervals. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.